Start. We have kept working towards strategic disinvestment stop. A number of transactions, namely BPCL, Air India, Shipping Corporation of India, Container Corporation of India, IDBI Bank, BEML, Neelanchal Ispat Nigam Limited, among others, would be completed in 2021-22 stop. Other than IDBI Bank, we propose to take up the privatization of two public sector banks and one general insurance company in the year 2021-22 stop. This would require legislative amendments, and I propose to introduce the amendments in this session itself. Stop. In 2021-22, we would also bring the IPO of LIC, for which I am bringing the requisite amendments in this session itself. Stop. In the Atma Nirbhar package, I had announced that we will come out with a policy of strategic disinvestment of public sector enterprises. Stop. I am happy to inform the House that the government has approved the said policy. Stop. The policy provides a clear roadmap for disinvestment in all non-strategic and strategic sectors. Stop. We have kept 4 areas that are strategic, where bare minimum CPSEs will be maintained and rest privatized. Stop. In the remaining sectors, all CPSEs will be privatized. Stop. The main highlights of the policy are mentioned at Annexure 3rd. Stop. To fast forward the disinvestment policy, I am asking Niti Aayog to work out on the next list of central public sector companies that would be taken up for strategic disinvestment. Stop. To similarly incentivize states to take to disinvestment of their public sector companies, we will work out an incentive package of central funds for states. Stop. Idle assets will not contribute to Atma Nirbhar Bharat. Stop. The non-core assets largely consist of surplus land with government ministries and departments and public sector enterprises. Stop. Monetizing of land can either be by way of direct sale or concession or by similar means. Stop. This requires special abilities, and for those purpose, I propose to use a special purpose vehicle in the form of a company that would carry out this activity. Stop. In order to ensure timely completion of closure of sick or loss-making CPSEs, we will introduce a revised mechanism that will ensure timely closure of such units. Stop. I have estimated rupees 1,75,000 crores as receipts from disinvestment in budget estimates 2021-22. Stop. Under the Treasury Single Account System, autonomous bodies directly draw funds from the government's account at the time of actual expenditure, comma, saving interest costs, stop. We will extend the TSA system for universal application from 2021-22, stop. On the recommendation of the Fifth Finance Commission, comma, we have undertaken, stop.